Today we're going to look at the MED stub stack kits. We keep the one for the twin carburettor kit and one for the single carburettor kit. It comes with a laser cut alloy backplate to which a Zeus fastener clips on over the top, and then the filtration is by an ITG filter, which is a completely open back filter, so the air can come in from anywhere internally, not like your pancake one where you're trying to suck around a right angle corner. Clips on the bottom onto there. They do come pre-oiled, but we do suggest washing them off and re-oiling them with the specific oil once every 12 months. Ram pipe itself, stub stack, is an aluminium stub stack with a predetermined radius, mounting holes and breather holes for the dashpot to go up and down in, and then the bore matches here, which matches the carburettor. So a complete setup is basically like so, with the filter over the top. On the single 1.5 inch and some of the 1 3/4 inch, the carburettors have actually got clearance holes in, so we supply Allen cap screws, washers and nuts. So the screw goes right the way through the stub stack, through the base plate, through the carburettor, and a nut on the back. But on the HIF carburettors, the mounting holes are actually drilled and tapped, so we just supply the Allen cap screw. The reason we developed these was basically because if you look at the standard carburettor, to get the air in from this point here, there is a 90-degree sharp corner. With the stub stack in place, the corner is replaced by a really large predetermined radius. Over a while, we did numerous flow bench testing with these to actually come up with the best radius. Once we come up with the best radius on the actual flow bench, we then did numerous dyno tests, and with the HIF filter on a 1380 road engine, between this on and off, there was a 4 to 5 horsepower gain. So for a little product like that, 4 or 5 horsepower is quite considerable. If you are taking the standard filter system off the engine and replacing it with one of these, because these flow so much more air, you will need to recalibrate the fuel to air mixture through the carburettor. Okay, there's a rundown on the stub stack kits. They work exceptionally well. They're all on the website, all the full range. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate, give us a call.